Well, I was really looking forward to this one, and when I finally bought it, I started testing it, and I concluded that it's not that great. It's nice to have, but I really prefer this one. Ideally, I wanted it because it takes less space, so if we compare them, it's shorter by, I don't know, 10 centimeters or so. I mean, depending, because if I move it there, it's even more, like 15. So quite a big difference. Now here, if we look, we gain a bit of size here, but then there is this hump. So when I put it in a box, it doesn't actually give me so much space. Let's have a look. So this is a box. I already have something there. And if I put it there, yes, there is some space left, but because of the hump, it's quite limited. So not much more than this one, yeah? I still have lots of space with this one here. And you see, even this one has trouble fitting in. And this way, now, you know, it's, even though it's smaller, it still doesn't fit in very well in the box. Even in the bigger box, you know, in the bigger box it's a bit better, obviously, but not much, you know. So I'm going to give it away also for another reason. It's louder, actually. It's this one is much louder than this one, especially without the load. When we actually start cutting something, the noise difference is a bit smaller, but still it's louder. Other thing that I don't like is handling. You know, when I hold it, it's kind of very funny. Even if I put heavy battery, like 4 or 5 amp battery in, there is a bit more balance, but still at this angle it's very uncomfortable. I can grab it here, maybe this angle is alright, this, that, kind of, but anytime I need to go like this, and it's, oh, very uncomfortable. Whereas this one is very nice, very natural, just, you know, grab it, hold it, and it's easy to hold, maneuver, apply pressure, and also it's, according to specs, is 400 movements faster than this one. So this one is 3000, this one is 3400 moves per second. So I guess there's a little bit of a difference. Now there is a brushless motor here, so the battery might last a bit longer, but it's louder, so that's not good for me. So I'm gonna keep this one. This one again, nice to have somewhere, but you know, it's too expensive for a nice to have, even though I bought it in a promotion for like 90 quid or something. With the smaller battery, yeah, it's still alright. Maybe sometimes it's better, obviously, because this one is much heavier, but still, you know, grabbing it like this, it just looks funny, not very handy, you know. I don't feel comfortable. You know, the benefits do not outweigh the drawbacks, so this one is the way forward. I'm gonna keep this one, and if I ever need a more professional tool, I will buy this version of the brushless, you know, the brushless version of this one, quite similar. So that's how it is. All the links below. I hope you enjoyed it, you know, like, subscribe, etc. You know what to do. See you in the next video. Take care. These are Ryobi lights that I use to shine the light at this scene, you know, to record this video. So very good, very good. I really like those Ryobi lights, very convenient. Yeah, they're super wide, so that's a bit of a drawback, but you know, the white balance can be easily changed afterwards in post.